Hey guys, so it's just like old times. Gonna send you a video of the house here. So just give you a quick view. Everything's looking great. Paint looks awesome. Love the furniture that you guys have picked out too. We'll take a quick little walk through here. I love the new doors that you're putting on. Looks good. This gray in here looks really nice. Nice and clean. Everything looks brand new. You have a brand new house here. So check that out. And then I want to run you upstairs real quick to take a look at the bathroom in there. This is awesome. Of course, a little messy, work in progress, but here is the new shower. Everything looks really nice. I mean, the seams are seamless, which is great. It's really hard to tell where the old wall was. They're doing a great job on the spacing of the tile. Looks like they've got some gaps there. You're probably putting a shelf in that corner, and then a shelf in that corner, and then that's spaced out for the accent. So everything looks awesome in here. And then I do like that they moved the door over a little bit to give you more room there, and then also move the air vent, and the space in there is plenty. So just a great idea. This is an awesome addition to your new home. So just wanted to give you a quick video so you could take a look for yourself. So hope you guys are doing well, and we will talk to you soon. All right, take care now. Bye-bye.